role of hormones activity in our psychomental creativity? Can we say that all our psycho-emotional activity is still a reflection of our hormone system's activity? Does it mean that hormones are biological, physical carriers of psychisms? Well, as a matter of fact, hormone system is the gadget that allows to manifest psychisms. It is the mechanism that allows our consciousness to realize through capabilities of our biological body. In other words, psychisms and other can't manifest themselves through our focus dynamics out of hormone activity. Mental processes also can't appear through our focus dynamics without definite neurotransmitters which initiate in brain, let's say the creativity of prefrontal cortex, frontal, parietal, temporal lobes. That's why there is the distortion at informational transfer from collective subconsciousness to levels of personal subconsciousness owing to... That's not the point. The fact is that intuitive information is manifested in corresponding scenarios, not through biological, but through completely different formal carriers. Anyway, it is executed by means of proteins which are synthesized by other amino acids. Not by means of the amino acids, which we have now, 20 basic amino acids, which are preceded mainly for implementation of our rough physical and rough psychic activities. Yet, in the future, other human factors progress. They condition the activity which is not directed to performance of the first Iissiidiology centers pair, Arglamuni Inglimilisa or Muladhara Svadhisthana, yet, but they are used for representation of creators of the second, the third centers pair. There, completely different forms exist in order for that. That's why there is the distortion. One form, more rough, cannot transfer all that strives to perform what is peculiar to more universal form. That means that louvmические scenarios do change. Is the opportunity to choose the louvmические scenarios changed for protoformal scenarios to the most extent, therefore? Here, yes. Do exactly protoformal forms engage in action? Yes, since there are factors which strengthen protoformity, and this is right because participation of other attributes is required for the synthesis. In order for synthesis within our human scheme of synthesis, at the physical level it appears by means of protein forms, which are synthesized in each cell in accordance with the conceptions we have. Until then, our conceptions leave much to be desired. Here it is exactly the intensive interaction between nuclear genome and mitochondria genome, and vice versa.